School, attention! Standard is school, attention! Right turn, left turn. School get ready for morning prayer. Tamil style valte.
1, 2.
Pledge. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I bless my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Stand at ease.
திருக்குறள் கற்றதெல்லாம் தனக்குமே இல்லாதவன் தாசேந்தார் கல்லார் மனக்கவலை மாற்று அறிவு. Thank you. Have a nice day. செல்வி அதேசரி லூசே travel. Good morning to all. I am going to introduce travel. Experience is the best teacher. அனுபவமே சிறந்த ஆசான். Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning. நோய் காலப்பான் செல்வி இகழ்தா நிக்கிதா டூசே bubbles letters. Yay. Good morning to all. Nikita studied UKG. Good morning to all. I Garida, 2 kg. Vowels letter, 5 letters. A, face, K, E, T, I, eyes, fire. O, rose, open. U, juice, blue juice. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today, Joshita and Jessica of 3rd standard and Kaushika 5th standard celebrating their birthday. I kindly request our respected principal ma'am to present the birthday gift to the birthday babies. School attention! National anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मा